Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it's Sunday and it's 13.2 degrees in the greenhouse, 66% humidity. Excuse me. And today I'm going to be showing you how to sow chives. There's an outdoor plant, but these grow really well indoors. Perfect fitting windowsill herb. It says here, delicate new flavour, great garden companion plants to deter insects, pests, decorative mauve flower heads. Sow under glass, plant indoors, and that is May, April, May and June. Direct sow May, April, May and June as well, and then harvest, you can see there. This perennial member of the onion family is undemanding and easy to grow, returning year after year and attracting bees and butterflies to its pretty pink blooms. Chives are an essential addition to the herb garden. Their leaves are edible and make them indispensable for garnishes, potato salads, soups and other savoury dishes. There's all the instructions. First of all, let's get them open and have a look inside, shall we? So yeah, let's get these open. Always cut from the book.
Battery, please charge.
Sort the camera out so like this, folks. Yeah, let's get these open. It says here there is average 700 seeds. These are a perennial, so you can keep cropping them, the tops off, all summer, and they come back really well. And then if you want them to grow up next winter, I would stick the pot just outside the back door so it gets them cold, because they really do need to go dormant for a few months. Then you can fetch them back in and start them growing again. Or you can do them as an annual that a lot of people do, which is just sow them as needed, and then when they start not performing, just leave them and then just sow again in the spring. So yeah, so look at these. That's what I thought. Nice dark black seeds, plenty big enough. Just put them back in there. All we need to do with this is I'm using a peat-based compost. It's got a bit of vermiculite that's just left over from my cuttings. But all you're going to do, just fill your pot up. This has also got a little bit of feeding, not too much, just a smidge. Just helps it once you get going. A bit more. Then all you've got to do is, I like to leave a couple of centimetres, half an inch to an inch at the top, so when you water them, the water doesn't run off. You tap down, nice and level. And all we need to do is just give them a quick sprinkling. Don't want to overdo it. Like it says, there's 700 seeds. A little is more with these. Once it's on like so, all I need to do then is just gentle fine sprinkling of compost. You can use vermiculite and perlite as well to do that. Once that's done, next stage is just to water them from the top, like so. Gets rid of any air pockets, and that also levels it out. And little tap like so, and then all we do then is just spin round, put them in my 2 watering trays, leave it in there until it's totally soaked through. Hi monkey, hi champ, I notice you're helping me again. Lift a paw and actually does something for a change, matey. Yep. As long as they're soaked through, we'll take them from there. I shall then put them under here, under my lights. These are some spring onions I sowed a few weeks ago. They're looking great. And they've got heat mats here, so up to 20-22 degrees will be fine. Don't want them too hot because it's not a tropical plant. And they'll come along the tree. I'm also going to sow another pot and just leave it on top of my normal bench without any heat. That's just the greenhouse heat. So yeah, that's how to grow chives, how to sow them. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.